Hey y'all, welcome to our channel MF Cooking. Today we're making fried asparagus with lemon pepper ranch dipping sauce. Let's get cooking. For this recipe you will need asparagus, lemon, garlic, parsley, chives, dill, eggs, panko breadcrumbs, Parmesan cheese, grated Parmesan cheese, buttermilk, mayonnaise, seasoned oil, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, cayenne pepper, and lemon pepper. Begin by snapping off or cutting off the ends of your asparagus. Chop 1/4 cup of chives. Chop 1/4 cup of dill. Chop 1/3 cup of parsley. Mince 2 cloves of garlic. For the lemon pepper ranch, combine a 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, a 1/2 cup of sour cream, a 1/2 cup of buttermilk, the juice of a 1/2 lemon, chives, dill, parsley, and minced garlic. Season with salt, garlic powder, onion powder, and lemon pepper. Refrigerate for at least 30 minutes. For the egg wash, season 3 eggs with seasoned oil, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and whisk. For the dry batter, season 2 cups of flour with seasoned oil, black pepper, lemon pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. Season 2 cups of panko breadcrumbs with seasoned oil, black pepper, lemon pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and grated Parmesan cheese. Coat your asparagus in egg wash, then flour, back into the egg wash, and lastly panko breadcrumbs. Fry for 2 minutes on each side or until golden. Garnish with Parmesan cheese and parsley. And there you have it, fried asparagus with lemon pepper ranch dipping sauce. We hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And remember to tell everyone you know, them MFers be cooking.